125 tonne, 3.2 metre press brake. Power switch is now on, and the power switch, when it turns on, will turn on the speed controller and the PLC. Then the computer screen will light up and it'll come up with a Windows program and it'll load up. Just take time to watch the program load up, because everything's being loaded onto a PLC screen. Yep. So the program will self-load. The CNC program will show. That's the main screen. I'll do a separate video of how to set the program and show you how to do that. But the numbers on there are important. What's important on this screen is that number is changed to green. It's got 3mm material. It's on a 24mm V-die. It's on the correct bottom multi-V block. It's got the right tool on there, and it's got the numbers in there. The distance it's going to travel, 180mm and 90 degrees. Now what I've done in there is put a trim factor of 0 and a trim factor of 3. So what that means is that spring back factor on aluminium, if I leave it at that, it'll be slightly under bent. So it's 88 degrees on the standard figure. With the trim factor, it comes out at 90 degrees. Now the machine itself has top tooling and bottom V-die. There'll be a second-hand V-die being fitted to this machine. This is the new V-die that's on there. It'll be replaced with the second-hand one. Now here on the fingers, you have sliding wedges. I've trimmed them all back so they're not influencing the bend whatsoever. Everyone is to the left, to the right, sorry. And if it was, say, bending 90 degrees on that end and 90 degrees that end, and on a full sheet it was underbending, you use those wedges to slide to give you more deviation in the top beam. So it just allows so that you do 90, 90, 90 on a full sheet. On the machine itself, the other adjustments you've got, here's your height adjustment, which is that one, how far the beam goes up. You can adjust that so you don't go up as far, and this is where the slow mode comes in. I'll turn the machine on now. And we'll just take the machine down. It'll come down, sit on the nuts, comes to the point there, and we'll go back up. And the back gauge will move if it's a different distance you put on here. At the moment it's the same distance, so it won't be moving. We'll now go to another program, and we'll just take one at random. That comes with 180, 280, 90 degree and 30 degree. So press the transmit button and it says download success. Then we press the start button. For it to change, The beam has to be up. It has to hit the top micro. It won't adjust unless that. So the back gauge is now moving to 470. And the y-axis just moved to the correct distance. And we'll press the foot pedal down. Foot pedal up. When it reaches the top, it's on the timer, so it will change. So the back gauge will come to 190. And now the y-axis will change, and once they turn green, it's right to bend. Bring that down. It's on the nuts, goes back up again, and then when it goes back up to the top, it will then revert to the other program. It's on a timer so that you've got a room to remove material or turn it. The manual tells you about flipping, turning over, and all those different letters there tell you how to do that. And that's in the manual, operator's manual. Now the number is moving. Now all changed to green. The machine is ready to bend again.